this is bad.
How are we gonna get out of here?
Over there, come on.
You sure about this?
No! Let's go!
Hold on, Woody!
What's a cowboy without his hat?
Buzz, get behind the tires! Jessie, let go of the plane!
What, are you crazy?
Just pretend it's the final episode of Woody's Roundup.
But it was canceled! We never saw if you made it!
Well, then let's find out together!
We did it! We did it! We did it!
Nice rope, cowboy.
That was definitely Woody's finest hour!
Your hat, partner.
Let's go home.
Driving on those gaskets.
I agree.